So today me and my mum made currants rolls, which is a traditional Trinidadian dessert, and we're going to show you how to make it. Disclaimer: there were no measurements included in the making of this video. So I added cinnamon and brown sugar to the currants, and now I'm just mixing it together. Here we have our puff pastry from Morrison, ready-made. And what we're gonna do is sprinkle our mixture all over our, gosh, it looks like I put perhaps a little too much sugar. Although, once I put all the currants, maybe it's fine. So you kind of want to sprinkle and leave about ½ an inch on the sides. I forgot to put the melted butter, so my mother's putting that on now. We'll be back once the butter and the currants are back on. Alright, so Mother's rolling it really tightly, but Mother, you can't roll it with the baking sheet. You have to roll it tightly. We're back on track. So you have to fold the ends and make sure do I explain this? Like the bottom half, the bit where the line finishes, is at the bottom. Now, egg wash and oven. So it has come out the oven, and now this is compulsory. We put some sugar paste on it, which is just sugar and a bit of water. Yeah, I've kind of only seen it diagonally, so that's what we're doing. And you want a nice sharp knife. So here are the currants rolls. We've cut them, and I'm gonna do a taste test. Is it good?
Oh, it's so good. It's got loads of currants. Moist, flaky.
Great.
I like it. Really good.
Close up. Enjoy.